All right, guys, so this is a pretty exciting project. It's pretty neat that it is a coupe. I had a friend that works over at my local scrapyard, like salvage parts yard, and I got the hook on a Nissan 240SX. And it's really rough, and it's actually a bigger project than I should have taken on. But because the cars are so easy to work on, that's going to kind of help make up for it. These cars are incredibly easy and relatively cheap to make cool. This one's in pretty poor condition, but there's no rust and neither of the quarter panels are wrecked. The biggest damage that it has is this monstrosity. Somebody cut the sunroof out and riveted in a piece of sheet metal in the whole roof. It's pretty fucked. The plan right now is to do a single cam or dual cam KA turbo, stock ECU, budget build, show everybody what you can do to put together a really budget friendly but high quality street car and drift car. So I'm going to show you what's up with it and what's getting pretty fucked up. One thing I kind of like is I think that was an antenna and they shaved it. There's a side skirt in here, a really cool plastic side skirt that wouldn't break. That's broken and ruined. There's a lot of good shit and a lot of bad shit. I just really like that it's not very rusty. In here, I managed to get myself a radio from the front desk at the parts yard. Let's see, it looks like the car's got about 104,000 miles on the chassis. Let's see if you can see that. We got the Nissan heads-up display. I've never seen a working one, so this would be really neat if I saw one for the first time. We got electric windows, fucked up roof. I have no clue how to fix that yet, but where there's a will, there's a way. We got some stock seats. I think I know a guy with two brand new Sparcos sitting in his garage. The headlights are back there. I need to find a bumper and a trunk. Make a bash bar and pressure wash the whole thing off and just start getting to it. My schedule is pretty busy lately, so I think that this is gonna go into storage until I'm ready to get down to it. And when I get to it, I'm really gonna focus on it and smash it all out in about 1 week is what I think I'm gonna do. So for now, I'm gonna load it on up on the trailer and take it to storage. All right, so there was problems loading it up. Super common when you're buying a project car that's pretty messed up that you're gonna run into problems. I'm gonna show you two of them. All right, so our first problem is that it didn't come with a key and the steering wheel lock is activated with the wheels turned, so I can't get it loaded up on the trailer. The second problem is that this here spring in here fell off of its strut and is rubbing the wheel. So I need to get a jack under here, see if I can get the spring right to raise the car up and make it more movable. I need to pull this driver's door lock off and take it over to my locksmith, who can cut me a key off of the lock cylinder so that I can use the key in here and get the steering wheel unlocked. All right, so I'm about to go work on the Chevelle and I was taking trash out because it's trash day. And the trash bin was abnormally empty, so that gave me a quick chance to take some of the shit that was inside of the 240, like that side skirt and some other junk, and just kind of clear the thing out a little bit real quick. Make it look a little nicer and a little bit less of a eyesore. So I'm gonna do that. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm supposed to be in the backyard working on the Chevelle right now, but I'm feeling really lazy today and I'm getting a little slow start to the morning. So I found a quick, easy project that I can do that also gives me an opportunity to teach you what to do when you're picking up a project car with no keys.